Hi everyone, this is Kanupriya. I live and work in Gurgaon, and I wanted to share my experience with Rati Beauty app. So I've been following Rati since 2010 or 11 for all the makeup and skincare advice, and I used to follow IMBB religiously for all those tips. But I think I started my weight loss journey in August 2019 with 87 kgs, and I reached around 61-62 kgs in June 2020. And now it's January 2021, and I have been able to maintain the weight. So I'm still at 61-62 in January as well. So it's been more than 6 months that I have been able to maintain this weight as well. So yeah, I mean, it has been a wonderful experience. I mean, the kind of support that Rati and Sanjeev give, they are always available on for all the queries, and the diet plans, they are so simple to follow. It's all home cooked meals, simple ingredients, not anything fancy, and it's not a crash diet, because I remember I would get too full and I would not have time, and I would not have the hunger to have the dinner or have one of the snacks. But it's not so I think these diet plans broke my misconception that you need to eat less to lose weight. No, that is the biggest misconception that we have. We need to fuel our body, we need to provide nutrition to our body. That is one thing which I realized after like such a long time in life, because I have always been overweight and I always wanted to lose weight, but I could only do it with Rati and Sanjeev's help, because of their diet plans, and by changing my perception about food, that I need to eat, that I need to provide nutrition, that I need to take care of my body, and only then it will start reacting. But I don't know, I am always at loss of words. I am the live example. Like you will see so many people sharing their experiences just like them. Like, I am a live example. I was so overweight, so unhealthy, and now that I have lost this much of weight, I realized that I was putting my body under so much pressure and under so much. It was unhealthy. It wasn't nice for me, my mental health, and my mental health has improved so much. I mean, it's very funny that I started the journey in 2019 solely for weight loss, and it's like my only goal was कि मुझे पतला होना है. That was my only goal. I only wanted to lose weight. But then, as and when I started the diet, started eating all the foods that she was recommending in all her diet plans, and started listening to her and her Instagram advice and the post on the app. So it made me aware that, and also my own experience, like I started feeling so good. My body started to react so well to all the good food that I was eating. Like, I believe it was the first time in my life that I was eating such healthy food. Since I live away from home, I live alone, so I wasn't really having a very good healthy lifestyle. And one thing also, because I'll be honest, I am not a good cook, and majority of this weight that I have lost is in 2020, since I started late in August 2019. So it was just 3-4 months in the beginning when I had house help. But then later, since the lockdown happened, it was only me, and I couldn't go home on time, so I was just stuck alone with no help. But I could prepare all the meals, I could get the ingredients for all the diet plans. So that's because they are so simple and so easy to make, and I am no cook. I'm not a great cook, but then even I could cook, and everything is so simple, and I mean, you just have to follow it. I followed it religiously. Like, I would So if it says this much, this thing you need to eat, I will eat that much. So yeah, I had the discipline, but then it was their support as well, because if something is not available and I would ping them, they would reply immediately. I mean, that's commendable how you guys support everyone in their journey, and it was like life changing for me. I mean, I never find the words to thank them enough, never find the words to express how it has changed my life. My relationship with food has changed. My whole perception about health has changed. So I'm really happy with how I feel, how my body feels, how light I am. As in light, not in terms of feel, as in not in terms of weight, but there is this there is this energy that makes you feel very light, and you feel so energetic about like, I had such a bad sleeping pattern, and my eating habits were really bad, like I was saying, and that all has improved. Now my body gets hungry, or at the time it should get hungry. Earlier I would not get hungry and then eat all my meals, or eat just one big meal at night, and not provide nutrition to my body all throughout the day when I was working and when I was busy, and I which I should have. But now that I've been eating healthy and working out and everything, so now I get healthy, and now I get hungry at the right time, and now my body is, my metabolism and my body is, I can feel that my body is happy and it's healthy. So that is a good thing. And also one thing that I have realized from my own experience, and which Rati also says, that what you eat is, what I believe, in my experience, what you eat is 80%, and exercise is just supporting that. As in, you cannot exercise through a bad diet. No, you cannot lose weight like that. You have to focus on what you are eating. You have to focus on the nutrition. So I started working out actually since the lockdown. So from March 2020, so almost midway through my weight loss journey, I started working out, and I started with simple walking within the house for half an hour, and then I would just pick up few workout videos and do them. Now I think I'm getting better with working with workouts, but initially I think in the first 5-6 months I was not really working out. I was majorly focusing on eating what's in the diet plans, and focusing on the nutrition, and focusing my discipline on eating 95% of what is there in the diet plans. And then once I was comfortable, then I started working out. That's what worked for me. And I'm really, I mean, I am the live example. If I can do it, if I can live alone, cook all my meals myself, and I think anyone can do it. It's not difficult. You just need the determination to do it, and I think go for it. Like, don't have second doubts. Like, don't have doubts about it. Don't have second thoughts on it. I mean, it's the best thing you will do to your health. Weight loss is just one of the many benefits that you will see. Your skin, like my skin improved, my hair quality improved, I had back acne for years, and this, and now it's all clearing up. Even the scars are going away. So it's very funny and wonderful and beautiful at the same time. But trust me, weight loss is just one of the few advantages. The advantages and the benefits are endless. As in, it's a wonderful thing. Like, I will recommend it to everyone. Like, everyone should at least try and give it 3 months. and I'm sure if you can do it for 3 months, you will do it all your life, because it's so life changing and such a good learning experience as well. You learn so much about food, nutrition, and it's very important. We all should be aware of what we are eating. So my experience has been wonderful. Like, I can never thank Rati and Sanjeev enough. They have changed my life. I mean, and it's an understatement. I mean, I don't know how to say it. I can never find the right words to say this, but it has been truly life changing for me. I mean, if I can lose this much weight, if I can be healthy, anyone can be. I mean, everyone should give it a try, and their support is commendable. They're always there for, they'll always motivate you, help you with the queries, and on the app, even other people, people who are following the diet with you, you will have the support from them as well. They would also, if you post a query, they would respond even before Rati and Sanjeev could respond, because people have been doing it for such a long time that you would have help from everyone. And it's such a good positive community. I mean, I would recommend it to everyone. If you want to lose weight, if you want to improve your health, you should definitely give it a go, and definitely try it. Yeah. And I cannot thank Rati and Sanjeev enough. So thank you guys. Bye.